Want to keep your private photos and videos away from anyone who uses your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to lock your photos on any Android phone using the built-in locked folder feature in Google Photos. Follow these simple steps. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your Android phone. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Most Android devices come with Google Photos pre-installed, but if you don't have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Browse through your gallery and find the photos or videos you want to hide. Press and hold on one photo to select it, then tap any additional photos or videos you'd like to include. Once you've selected everything, tap the More option or scroll through the action menu until you find Move to Locked Folder. Step 3. Tap Move to Locked Folder, then press Move and continue to confirm your choice. Google Photos will securely transfer those files into the locked folder. As soon as the process finishes, the selected photos and videos will disappear from your main gallery, photo grid, memories, albums, and search results, helping keep your private content hidden from casual viewers. How to view your locked photos? Whenever you want to access your hidden photos, open the Google Photos app again. Tap Collections at the bottom of the screen, then scroll down until you see Locked. Open it and verify your identity using your phone's PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint. After unlocking, you'll be able to view your protected photos and videos. Keep in mind that the locked folder is designed to protect your privacy, so items stored there won't appear in other gallery apps. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more quick Android tips and tricks.